Trying to create a room but don't know how to? Well, no worries. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to create a room in PUBG Mobile. So let's get right into it. So it's super simple to create a room. So first up, you need to make sure that you have a room card. So without a room card, you cannot generate or create a room in PUBG Mobile. To check it, just simply head towards inventory right here. And once you're there, just simply navigate to this create icon right here. And once you're there, scroll down all the way until you see a room card. So it should be somewhere around here. So if it doesn't show, you can just simply search up for it. So right here, as you can see, there is a room card available for me. There is actually 7 of them. Now you can just simply select use, and then you can just simply adjust it as you want. So 1 to 7, and once that is done, you can just simply select OK right here. And that's it. After that is done, your room will be created. And now what you need to do is just simply select this map selection icon right here. And once you're there, just simply head towards rooms on the top right here. And now select create room. And once that is done, your room should be officially created with options like maps, passwords, etc. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.